Have you ever wondered which airline offers the best flying experience in the world? From luxury in the skies to top-notch service, the competition is fierce. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best airlines in the world and what makes them truly exceptional. Whether you're a frequent traveler or just dreaming of your next adventure, you won't want to miss this. Don't forget to subscribe our channel so we start to the video. Number 5, Cathay Pacific Airways. Based in Hong Kong, Cathay Pacific is recognized for its excellent service, extensive network, and commitment to passenger comfort. These airlines have been acknowledged for their exceptional service, innovation, and commitment to passenger satisfaction. Their consistent recognition in global rankings highlights their dedication to providing top-tier travel experiences. Number 4, ANA All Nippon Airways. Japan's largest airline, ANA is praised for its punctuality, service quality, and comfortable cabins, providing a reliable and pleasant travel experience. Number 3, Emirates Airlines. Known for its luxurious in-flight experience, Emirates offers a vast network of destinations and top-notch amenities, making it a favorite among travelers worldwide. Number 2, Singapore Airlines, consistently ranked among the top airlines globally. Singapore Airlines is renowned for its outstanding service, comfort, and innovation. It offers a premium travel experience across all classes. Number 1, Qatar Airways. Recognized as the world's best airline for the 8th time in 2024, Qatar Airways is celebrated for its exceptional service and innovation. It also received accolades for the world's best business class and best airline in the Middle East. Thank you for watching.